Okay, okay na to. Close ko na to. Okay, connection. Then, close. Connected na. Tapos, resource. Ano na document? Okay, meron akong ginawang document dito. Sana yun? Ito. Lavada. Kunwari, ito yung Excel sheet. So, dapat meron ka ng Excel sheet na name, email, ayan, address, schedule. Lagyan mo ng header. So, check ko dito. Ano to? Bakit hindi ko makita? Document or sheet with document. Wait lang ha. Bakit di siya mag-appear? Kailangan natin iyan. Okay, sorry. Ito pala. Under sa document, click mo lang dito, hanapin mo yung si Lavada. See? Lavada Leads na Google Sheet. Lavada Leads. And take note, Sheet 1, your Google Workspace, your worksheet, Sheet 1. So, select mo yung Sheet 1 dito. Yan. Okay. From list, Sheet 1. Tapos, after that, okay na? Wala nang iba. Filters, combine, wala na. Then, click mo lang yung execution step. Then, tingnan natin kung nag-appear. Okay, mag-try tayo ha. So, wait lang. Add filter. Get rows, up and row. Okay. So, kailangan ng operation up and row kasi mag-add tayo ng data. So, now, provided na yung name, email, phone number, address, schedule, kasi saan ito galing? Dito sa sa header. So, ang gagawin mo lang, hanapin mo lang yung custom values natin dito as custom data. See? Custom data. All you have to do is drag and drop lang. Name, email, phone number, address, and schedule. Then after that, execution step or sige, try natin to. Execute natin kasi na-map na natin. Then try natin kung mag-appear. See? Ayun. So let's try again guys ha. One more time. Kasi nag-execute na siya. Saan yung save dito? Okay, ayan na. Then, save mo siya, yung changes mo, tapos gawin mong active. Okay? Okay, got it? So, ang workflow mo active, then check natin. Kasi ito yung data. Now, mag-try tayo mag-sign up. Asan ba yung sign up dito? Okay, balik tayo dito para makita ninyo yung execution. Test 1. Okay? Tapos, email. Then, Davao. Then, 2 p.m. Example. Then, check. Box. Then, book schedule. So, pag book natin schedule, check natin yung in-8. Execute workflow. Okay? Pag mag-execute na siya, tingnan natin kung merong mag-catch na ba natin dito. Hintayin natin. Execute workflow. Okay. Sorry. Try again, guys. Try again. One more time. Okay. John Doe. Phone number. Tapos, email. Davao or Cebu. Okay. Then, book schedule. Try natin. After thank you page, dapat nag-trigger na siya. See? Yun. And then, andito na siya. See? Si Jando, blah, 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 blah. So, ganun pala, ang question is, Coach, kailan ba gagamitin yung N8N or make or Zapier? Gagamitin lang yan pag hindi na kaya ni Go High Level i-perform yung gusto ng client mo na i-execute yung automation. Ibig sabihin, yung automation na yon complex, advanced, ang kaya lang mag-perform nun is yung other third-party tool. That's the time na connect ka ng third-party tool. Now, plus points sa inyo as Go High Level Specialist pag alam mo paano maggamit ng third-party tool. Hindi lang N8N, yung iba gusto ng Make, yung isa gusto ng Zapier. Okay. Then, let's have a question and answer. Tapos na tayo doon. Gutom na ko guys. Kasi 2 hours, 30 minutes. Any question? So, may question kayo guys? Type nyo lang kung mahiya kayo mag questions. Sige, go. After nito, ipa-plug ko si Mary for SMM. Siya magpa-plug later kung ano yung course na yon, and then after that, mag-time out na tayo for your certificate, guys. Coach, kung nag 14-day trial ka sa NN8 natapos mawala yung ginawa mong hindi siya mawala pero hindi na siya mag-activate. Kasi hanggang 14 days lang yon. So hindi mo na siya magagamit. Question po, where do we get the recorded video? Mag-send po yan sa email. Okay? So, pinakita ko sa inyo guys, kumbaga, practice what you preach. Hindi ko ginawang mag-manual para makita ninyo na pwede palang i-automate itong mga ganitong klase. So, pag ma-upload ko na yung video, mag-send yan sa inyo ng email with your credential na pwede kayong login kayo sa credential ninyo para ma-replay ninyo yung video. Okay? And then, ano po ang ginagawa ni N8 na di kaya ni JHL? Marami, like AI, like complicated. For example, imagine mo na lang, meron siyang mga actions like, ang dami dyan, no? Yan. Si Go High Level, walang mga ganitong klaseng action. Okay? For example, gagamit ng mga other database, gagamit ng mga Google Slides, Google Contacts, or let's say, try natin Slack. Ayan, may mga Slack, may mga other platforms which is not available in Go High Level. So, gagamit ka talaga ng other third party. That's the time maggagamit ka. Pero pag kaya ni Go High Level, wag ka nang gagamit kasi dagdag, dagdag gasto. Take note, every execution yan, may charge yan. Every mag-execute, may charge yan. Okay? So, okay lang, na-lost ka, Christian. Okay lang, walang problema kasi may replay naman tayo ng video. So, GSL all-in-one, workflow lang talaga, yes. Okay lang yan. Don't worry kasi matutunan nyo rin yan. Pwede po bang practice kahit natapos na po yung trial? Anong na-trial sa NN8? Hindi po pwede kasi tapos na, hindi ka na makapag-access. Yes, walang web builder ang N88, N8N. Tapos pwede mong gagamitin doon sa Go High Level. So may update na ang GHL na same side. Soon daw, yes. Merong actually si Go High Level, nag-update talaga yan siya. Always yan sila, active yan sila sa community. Pero of course, hindi ganun kadali kasi it takes time for them. Pero sa other third party, tapos na yan. So, yung ginawa ng iba, hindi na nila hinintay pa yung Go High Level. Pero kung magkaroon ng availability or mag-available na yung action na yon or other automation, maglipat sila. Okay? So magkano po ba enrollment ng coach? That is 5K. Actually, for 5 last time kasi nagbigay ako ng tawag nito, early bird. Pero 5K yun. For 4 meetings, 3 hours per meeting. So, ano pa? Maganda yata gawin digital training tapos yes, of course. Yun talaga ang purpose niyan. Kung meron ka mga AI automation, mag-chat, gamitin mo si ChatGPT para mag-reply, pwedeng voice AI, magtawag, inbound, outbound. Yun guys. So pwede pag AI chat, yes, pwede. Sa in8n. Okay? Pwede din sa AI. Pwede kayo gagawa sa GHL. Merong AI din ang GHL, guys. So, depende. Okay? Kung gusto niyo medyo komplikado, complex talaga, advanced na automation, CN8N or Make or Zapier. Okay? So, may 1 month kayo suggest to use para mag-practice coach. Yes. Ang sa training natin, kasama po yung 1 month free para ma-implement ninyo yung task natin. And after that, mag-subscribe kayo. And don't worry guys, kasi sa 1 month na yan, marami na kayong ma-learn at the same time, meron na kayong portfolio. Kahit baguhan pa lang kayo, maka-generate kayo ng sariling portfolio experience kasi 1 month yung training. Kaya nga, makonsider pa rin as experience kasi nag-training kayo for 1 month. And then of course, yung screenshot na yon, yung portfolio na yon, sa inyo yun eh. Kayo ang gumawa nun eh, di ba? Hindi yung gawa-gawa. And then, ang pinapagawa ko sa inyo is yung real world application, hindi yung parang practice-practice lang. Okay. So, pila ang full training sir? That is 5K. Yung sinabi ko kanina, 5K for Saturdays. Sir, ano difference ng GSL course, ng HLA Accelerator? Kasi sa kanila, ano yan sila eh, meron yan silang mga stages na courses actually. So sa akin dito, yung course ko dito is direct to the point, straightforward. Kasi ang dami pa ng explanation yan sa kanila. Okay? Kumpleto, pero of course, English version and then yung meron pa talaga mga explanation. Sa akin dito, kung ano talaga yung ginagawa ko, direct doon ako. Kung ano yung mga common task na ginagawa ng isang go high level specialist, yun ang pinapagawa ko. So, direct to the point tayo. Walang eme-eme, diretso-diretso na. Walay F2F, soon, mag-ano ko, mag-conduct ako ng survey kung mag F2F, okay? Coach, ask ko lang kung ginawa ba po ba sa trial, pwede po ba yun download para ma-access pa rin yung ginawa? What do you mean na i-download? Ano i-download? Wala pong ma-download dyan. Yung ano, wala. Yung N8N, parang ma-download mo yata or maano mo yung workflow. Pero sa Go High Level, wala kang ma-download doon. Which is more, hindi man, depende po yung Zapier at saka N8N. Kasi si Zapier, meron din siya mga other automation na hindi din kayang i-perform ni N8N. Pero pinaka-popular na si N8N. Dami nang gumagamit niyan for advanced automation, AI, voice AI, conversation AI. So, depende rin yan sa client. Yes. So, mahal po Zapier, pero yes, mahal ang Zapier, pero take note, per execution po yan. So, may bayad yan per execution ha. So, but don't worry, kasi ang importante dito, meron kayong experience at meron kayong masagot during sa interview kasi yung mga client na yan, mga client na yan, mag-ask yan sila kung may experience ka ba sa N8N, Zapier or sa Make, at least may masagot ka. And familiar ka sa automation. Okay, hindi naman kailangan talaga expert ka doon. At least alam mo, may experience ka kasi matutunan man din yan. How much bang sub-account? That is for 1K po yung monthly subscription ng Go High Level sa SingSuite. Okay? So kung gusto niyo sa SingSuite guys, punta lang kayo sa SingSuite. Check niyo lang tong site na to. Ayan. So pwede kayo mag-subscribe dyan, monthly subscribe. Pero take note may free kayo course dito. Take note. So hindi lang platform ang makukuha niyo dyan, pati course. So yes. Then, ano pa question? May open source CN18 self-hosted nga lang. Okay, yes, meron din yan. Kaya lang, medyo, kung gusto nyo talaga ng medyo komplikado, yan, gagamit talaga kayo ng N8N. Daming tutorial sa online, guys. Do you mean, sir, pwede bang N8 Zapier sa? Yes, pwede. Zapier, N8N, Late Node, and Make. Ang daming mga third-party tool. Gamit ka lang ng webhook. Okay? So, yung sa free trial po ng landing page, pwede pa yun sa idagdag sa CV. Yes. Basta, kumbaga, presentable yung ginawa mo doon sa landing page na yun. Kasi iba kasi yung pag meron kang landing page na na parang sa company galing, yung ginawa ko pwede yon. Kasi ikaw ang gumawa noon for laundry shop. Pwede yon. Papakita mo kung paano ka gumawa ng ng tawag nito. Ah ito, example. So makita ng client itong screenshot mo or pwedeng live kung paano ka gumawa ng landing page copy. Paano yung mga CTA mo, paano ka mag-hook ng ng grab attention or attention grabbing, ng ganun, okay? Sir, meron kang face-to-face training? Wala po for now. Sorry, but siguro soon. Alam mo coach, alam mo ginawa mo lahat ng sagot. Sorry guys. So may mga free din po pa matry ng tools na yan. Yes, Roda, meron yan. Pwede kayo sa Go High Level. Pero careful kayo kasi pag hindi niyo kasi 5K kasi yung pinaka-minimum sa Go High Level. So baka ma-charge yung credit card niyo or debit card. So careful. Pero sayang kasi kung doon kayo sa free trial sa Guhay level mismo magkuha, 14 days trial, pag baka gusto niyo na i-continue, mas mahal. So mahirapan ka. Mag-transfer ka or balik ka sa sa Scratch. Kasi hindi mo pwede ma-download 'yon. Snapshot lang kailangan doon. How much po sa Bakan? 1K po. Sir, meron kang face-to-face training? Wala po. Soon guys. Okay? So hindi ko na parang hindi ko parang hindi ko na maano sa inyo ang question ninyo. Okay? Now, sige. Yun na. Para matapos tayo guys, kung may questions kayo, Mary, meron ba tayong QR code para sa GC para in case na magbigay tayo ng tawag nito yung announcement at least isa-isahang na lang. Then
Nandito na sila po,
Mary,
lahat. Na-i-add ko na.
sige, thank you. And then please ng mo detail ng SMM of this coming Saturday, di ba? Tama? Sige, i-plug mo. Then after, guys, ko na ha, si Coach Mary yan sa SMM. Pinaka-the best yan sa SMM, guys. Kung gusto niyo talaga matuto sa SMM, siya ang coach na kukunin niyo. Power yan, believe me. Now, after sa plug niya, ibibigay ko yung QR code para makapag-time out na kayo. Okay, so go, Mary.
Yan, okay. Pas-share screen ako, Coach.
Okay.
Okay, yan. Nakikita niyo na ba? Yan, I'm not sure. Teka lang, check natin. Hello, everyone. So, thank you so much for joining here at our free webinar. So, we are actually the founders of SyncSuite. Me and Coach Ralphs, we are the ones who established SyncSuite. So, SyncSuite, guys, is a SaaS version of GHL. It is a part of GHL, but we are providing better options through sub-accounts. So, we are conducting different kinds of trainings under SyncSuite. So, ang difference kasi guys ng SyncSuite, unlike with other SaaS versions nito, yung mga competitors namin, is that we are providing you different kinds of ways to earn. So basically, hindi lang siya through GHL. Now, aside from, of course, we have a free training for GHL. Now, SyncSuite offers different kind of freelancing courses as well. So if you are aspiring freelancer, you are a freelancer who would like to upskill, this is actually one of the best platform that you can go with. Kasi kapag nag-subscribe kayo every month, you will gonna get one different course. So these courses, guys, are not just courses. These are the courses that we have or that most of our students have already paid for thousands that we are giving right now with SyncSuite. So, for example, you have subscribed. So you're gonna have a 1-month subscription plan all with a GHL na lahat ng mga automations, pipelines, unlimited websites, unlimited na mga funnels, yung mga automations na kita niyo lahat ng tinuro ni Coach, no? May free, magkakaroon kayo ng free account doon at saka magkakaroon kayo ng free GHL training syempre, which is kasama rin doon sa package. And then one more thing is that you will be able to have one different course every single month na mag-subscribe kayo. So for example, gusto niyang matuto mag-WordPress, no? So yung WordPress na dating tinuturo ni Coach, no, you will gonna get na tinuturo niya saka binabayaran ng iba for thousands of pesos, magiging free na yon. So if you would like to learn WordPress, no, hindi ka na magbabayad for another upskill. Hindi ka na maghahanap for another coach kasi free na siya. After that, the next month naman, ginusto mo naman matuto ng social media management, no, you don't need to go and find another mentor to do it for you or to pay them for that. Kasi magiging libre ulit siya for another month. Okay? So every single time that you subscribe, every single month, magkakaroon din kayo na another course. So kung halimbawa 2 months kayo nag-subscribe, meron na kayong WordPress, meron kayong social media management, it stays on your account for as long as you have subscribed. So that is the difference. That is what HLA Accelerator don't have. And also, we do live trainings, guys, no? So, meron kami lagi mga monthly webinar, exclusive, no? Para sa mga subscribers namin. And every month, we are providing new opportunities of courses and trainings exclusive, of course, for our SyncSuite subscribers. Okay, so yan. So that is what SingSound is all about. And syempre, yung plan nyo, no, unlike with others, dinamihan namin siya. So meron kayo unlimited funnels. No, sa funnel guys ng GHL, meron na rin siyang mga templates na pwede nyong i-plug and play. Babaguhin nyo na lang, hindi nyo na kailangan magmano-mano. Though tinuro ni Coach on how you're gonna use it, no, ng manually. Of course, that is the same thing on how you're gonna edit your templates, no, na pinili nyo from GHL. The next will be unlimited e-commerce website, no? Unlimited domain hosting. Guys, hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng hosting sa GHL. Pwede kayong gumamit nung mismong binibigay ng GHL. O tapos, kung gusto nyo paikliin, no, i-bitly nyo lang. No, i-register nyo lang siya doon. And then next will be, of course, unlimited team members, no? Kung kayo ay course creator katulad namin, ni Coach, no, may iba pa kayong businesses. Like for me, I have my real estate businesses. I have my coaching business. I have my digital marketing agency na may digital marketing agency po ako dito. So lahat yun nasa isang sub-account lang ng SingSound. You can multiply businesses just for paying 1,000 a month. That is the power of GHL. Okay? And all the other digital marketing strategies na kailangan nyo to boost up your freelancing career, to boost up your career, no? Meron ka tayong mga free trainings dyan. Kaya kung makikita nyo halos lahat ng mga training namin sa SingSound is related to business or these are digital marketing, no? Because we would like you to learn how to do your ads, how to do your social media management, no? Para kung ano man business na meron kayo, you can do the digital marketing on your end, on your own as well. Okay? So, yan. So, this coming 18th, no, magkakaroon kami guys ng free social media management. Ilan guys? Okay, so this is brought to you by thehappyfreelancers.com. So by the way, I'm Coach Mary. I'm 6 years in digital marketing. I've already had 80 clients and 80 projects in 5 different countries: US, Canada, Australia, Philippines, of course, and UK. So guys, tag nito, I'm already providing most of the ones that I've taught before, actually CEOs. So nagtuturo ako for companies, nagki-training ako for CEOs. But this time, the focus will be for our fellow kababayan and Filipinos who would like to be a freelancer or who would like to be successful in freelancing. So I have my own courses as well. So as of the moment, I'm teaching 6 different courses, which is the full course digital marketing. That is email marketing, social media management, SEO. I have a little bit of a GHL, pero ang GHL talaga, kasi cultural talaga yan. Tapos nagtuturo din ako guys ng WordPress, no? At saka all other things under the umbrella of digital marketing. So I also have that. And this panel or this website that you are seeing right now is from GHL as well. So lahat ng processes na kung ano yung na-experience nyo kapag nag-register kayo sa mga free webinars namin, this is all from GHL as well. Ganun siya ka-powerful. It's our businesses becomes hands-free. Nakakakuha pa kami ng multiple projects and clients and freelancing because of GHL. Okay, so by the way, and I just like to announce that I will be having my free social media management webinar. Now, this will be on October 18th at 8 p.m. via Zoom as well. So, this is the link. Isa-send ko to dun sa ating group, no? This is 100% free, just like this course, no? Our webinar na inatandan nyo ngayon. Just register here and you will gonna get the Zoom link. Okay, please share it to your friends. Please share it to those who would like to be a freelancer, who would like to see if this is the niche for them. So yung mga topic natin guys dito are mostly for beginners because this is actually for aspiring beginners. This is the first stage of social media management, no? So dito ang ma-discuss is about social media management, how a social media manager looks like, yung work namin as social media manager, no, and how to plan your first 7-day contents using AI tools, and the framework na ginagamit ko to handle multiple clients and create multiple contents. Guys, I'm creating thousands of contents every week. Just like yesterday, I created 100 contents. No, today I created 80 contents. No, kasi guys, ang dami kong client. No, lalo sa SMM. SMM is one of the best niche para sa mga freelancers because for 6 years, honestly, ito ang bumuhay sa akin. This is the best niche for me. No, not because meron na ako experience, but because marami talagang clients ang nangangailangan ng social media management. To be honest, no? Social media management is not like SEO. Pag sabi niyo SEO, yan yung mga kapag nag-search kayo sa Google lumalabas, kailangan nasa ranking sila ng first page, no? Ang website kasi, once na nag-top siya guys, sa first page, mahirap na siyang patalsikin. Kahit medyo pabayaan mo na yun, mabubuhay yun. But in social media, guys, for as long as nagpo-post ka, no, buhay na buhay ang business si client. Kaya, pag hindi ka nag-post, mamamatay yung business nila in just a week. Kaya naman, ang mga social media managers, guys, very, yan sila, maraming kumukuha ng social media managers because they don't want their business to die online. So lahat yung pag-uusapan natin in this upcoming 18th, I hope that I will gonna see you there as well. So don't forget to register. Yan. And any questions? Baka kaya ko pang sagutin yung mga questions nyo before we end our Zoom webinar today. Ayan guys, hindi ko masyadong nakikita yung mga chat. Ayan, this is the link. Isa-send ko rin sa inyo guys yung link doon sa ating group chat. Just, ayan, sinend ko na. So, this will be on 18th. Yan, Sabado. Yes, it is Saturday, guys. Now, this is Saturday. Meron din kayong matatanggap, guys, na certificate of attendance. At saka, magkakaroon din kayo ng access sa magiging free recording nito. Okay? So, if you don't have any other questions, then guys, we're gonna see you again on 18th, and I hope that you will have a great night ahead. So thank you so much for joining us. We are very grateful that you are here tonight. Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you,
Nakalagay.
Coach.
Basta 18th
Thank you.
guys. 18th
Guys, ito na.
Saturday.
Time out na kayo and then mag-send na yan ng certificate niyo after 1 minute. Okay? So please
Thank you.
time out na guys.
Thank you, Coach
Then,
Ralph. Thank you,
Thank
Coach
you.
Mary.
Thank you.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you sa time guys. See you soon pag may mga bagong course. Okay?
Soon.
Ay free webinar. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you guys.
Bye-bye.